Wolves are social animals. They live in packs that usually consist of 6 to 10 individuals, but can sometimes number up to 30 wolves. Their pack is like a family. It is led by an alpha pair that makes all the important decisions, and the rest of the pack helps hunt and take care of the cubs. Wolves are excellent hunters. They work together to hunt down prey and can chase it for up to 20 kilometers. Did you know that wolves can eat up to 9 kilograms of meat at one time and then go without food for several days? Their howl is not just a sound. Wolves howl to communicate with each other, mark territory, and gather the pack. Wolves are smart and cunning. They can use complex strategies to hunt and even deceive prey. Wolves are also excellent runners. They can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and cover long distances in search of food. Their sense of smell is simply super powerful. Wolves can smell prey from a distance of up to 2.5 kilometers. Did you know that wolves are the ancestors of dogs? Yes, all our domestic dogs descended from wolves thousands of years ago. And finally, wolves are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control animal populations and maintain balance in nature. Spiders are not insects, but a separate class of animals, arachnids. They have 8 legs, not 6 like insects. Did you know that spiders weave webs from silk that they produce themselves? This silk is stronger than steel if you compare it by thickness and can stretch several times. Spiders are predators. They feed on insects, and some large species, like tarantulas, can even catch small birds or frogs. Their eyes are like mini cameras. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but their vision is not very sharp. But they feel vibrations and smells very well. Spiders are also real acrobats. They can walk on ceilings and vertical surfaces thanks to tiny hairs on their legs. Some spiders, like the water spider, live underwater. They create air bubbles to breathe and hunt small aquatic creatures. Spiders are masters of disguise. Some species, like the crab spider, can change color to blend in with their surroundings. Did you know that spiders molt? They shed their old exoskeleton to grow. It's like peeling off your skin and getting bigger. Spiders are ancient creatures. They've been on Earth for over 300 million years and haven't changed much in that time. And finally, spiders are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control insect populations and maintain balance in nature. Owls are predators, and they hunt at night. Their eyes are adapted to the dark, and they can see in conditions where a person cannot see anything. Did you know that owls can turn their heads 270 degrees? It's as if you could turn your head almost a full circle. Their flight is pure magic. Owls fly almost silently thanks to the special structure of their feathers, which helps them sneak up on their prey. Owls are not only nocturnal birds. Some species, like the snowy owl, are also active during the day, especially in northern regions where there is almost no darkness in the summer. Their ears are like radar. Owls have asymmetrical ear openings that help them pinpoint where a sound is coming from, even in complete darkness. Owls are also excellent hunters. They can catch prey that weighs more than themselves, eat it whole, and then regurgitate undigested bones and fur. Owls are a symbol of wisdom. They are often depicted in books, films, and even on coats of arms as a symbol of knowledge and mystery. Did you know that owls don't have teeth? They swallow their prey whole or tear it into pieces with their beaks and claws. Owls are loners. They prefer to live and hunt on their own, except during the breeding season. And finally, Owls are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control rodent populations and other small animals. Meerkats are social animals. They live in groups called clans or colonies and can have up to 40 individuals. Their life is like a big family business. There is a strict hierarchy in the clan, and everyone knows their duties. Someone stands guard, someone looks for food, and someone takes care of the cubs. Meerkats are excellent hunters. They eat insects, lizards, snakes, and even scorpions. And you know what's the coolest thing? They teach their cubs how to properly neutralize poisonous prey. Meerkats are also real diggers. They dig complex systems of burrows that serve as their home and shelter from predators. Their eyes are like sunglasses. Meerkats have dark circles around their eyes that help them see in the bright desert light. Did you know that meerkats are diurnal animals? They are active during the day and sleep at night, curled up in a heap to keep warm. Meerkats are caring parents. All members of the clan help to raise the cubs, feed them, and protect them. Their communication is a science. Meerkats use different sounds to warn each other of danger or to report that they have found food. Meerkats are also real acrobats. They can stand on their hind legs to inspect the surroundings and balance on thin branches. And finally, meerkats are a symbol of teamwork and survival in harsh conditions. They are often depicted in films and cartoons as cute and brave heroes. Capybaras are the largest rodents on the planet. They can weigh up to 70 kilograms and be the size of a small dog. Their life is closely connected with water. Capybaras are excellent swimmers and divers, and they can also sleep in the water, leaving only their nose on the surface. Capybaras are social animals. They live in groups of up to 20 individuals and communicate with each other using sounds similar to whistling, barking, and purring. Did you know that capybaras are herbivores? They eat grass, aquatic plants, and even tree bark. An adult capybara can eat up to 3 kilograms of vegetation per day. Their teeth are like scissors. Capybaras have constantly growing incisors, which they grind down by chewing hard food. Capybaras are peaceful animals. They rarely conflict with each other and often share food. Capybaras are also real nannies. They can take care of the babies of other females in the group as if they were their own. Their skin is like armor. It is thick and covered with sparse fur, which helps capybaras protect themselves from insects and sunburn. Did you know that capybaras are other animals' favorites? Birds often ride on them, cleaning their fur from parasites. And finally, capybaras are a symbol of calm and friendliness. They are often called giant guinea pigs, and they really are just as cute and good-natured. Grass snakes are non-venomous snakes. They are completely harmless to humans, although they can hiss and pretend to attack to scare. Their favorite delicacy is frogs and fish. Grass snakes are excellent swimmers and can stay in the water for a long time, tracking prey. Did you know that grass snakes can pretend to be dead? If they are scared, they roll over on their backs, open their mouths, and even emit an unpleasant smell, so that predators think that they are no longer alive. Grass snakes are masters of camouflage. Their coloring helps them blend in with their surroundings, be it grass, rocks, or water. Grass snakes are also excellent climbers. They can climb trees and bushes in search of food or shelter. Their scales are like armor. It protects grass snakes from damage and helps them slide easily along the ground. Did you know that grass snakes shed their skin? They shed their old skin to grow. It's like taking off your old clothes and getting bigger. Grass snakes are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control frog, fish, and insect populations. Grass snakes are also a symbol of wisdom and calm. They are often depicted in myths and legends as keepers of knowledge. And finally, grass snakes are peaceful creatures. They prefer to run away than attack, and will only defend themselves as a last resort.